Hi, welcome to Adventures and Things. I'm Michael Wright, and today I'm joined by Muchacho, is that how you say it? Thomas Frietag. What are we doing today, buddy?
We're going spearfishing.
You seem pretty excited about it.
I'm very excited.
Neat, let's do this.
Walking and talking, hiker that sings. I'm Michael Wright, this is Adventures and Things. So we're down here at the beach now, and Thomas is here to go over with us with some of the gear that we need, some of the safety stuff. You ready for this, Thomas?
I'm ready.
All right.
We're going on the water. We have some basic gear that I'm going to be using. It's not too cold, too cold, so it's going to be like a lighter setup than normal. Some important things when you go spearfishing is obviously the spear gun. It's right here. It's my very favorite spear gun. It's called the Rob Allen. Very important piece of equipment, a mask and snorkel. I have a float, and this is basically so that other fishermen or people in the water or boats can see me. I'm more visible, so a boat's not going to run over top of me. Dive knife. With this little guy, I have what I call is braining the fish. So these are freediving fins. You know, they're quite long. These ones are a little bit more rigid. You have a wide array of fins when it comes to freediving or spearfishing, and that's pretty much it. We were treated to the passing of a couple eagle rays, spotted eagle rays. So towards the start of the dive, we also saw a boxfish, which captured Michael's attention, and it's not really uncommon here, but it's pretty cool to see for your first experience. So today was a really nice dive. We saw a lot of big schools of young reef fish like Panamanic sargent fish, also some kingfish. So today we're going to be fishing loro. It's a reef fish, which is also known as parrotfish. The larger ones, they get to be very bright. So when we spearfish, we are very selective. We can look for the most mature, the best fish out of the bunch, and try to take less of them, better quality fish. It's better for us. It's more of a challenge, and that's why I really love spearfishing, actually. We didn't see that many loro, but the biggest one that we saw, I shot, which actually wasn't very big at all, but I needed to secure at least one fish just to give it to the guard, who so graciously let us drive in close to the beach, and I promised him a fish in return. So we brought only one fish home today, and it was this little guy, this loro right here. Well, I really love the sport of spearfishing because of its simplicity. You're just basically out there in the ocean. It's you, it's your breath. minimal equipment, and you're very connected to everything that's all around you, and it's a very humbling sport because you can't control the ocean, you can't control what's around you. You just have to try and focus on the things you can control, which is your breath, your heart rate, your conserving energy, being patient. Also, probably the best part is that it's perfectly acceptable to pee your pants at any situation.